Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a DM or a direct message on TikTok. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to do is to go to the TikTok website or your TikTok uh, mobile application. The steps are the same for both platforms. After that, you will need just to go to the menu on your app. Either it is the TikTok app or the website or the web app. And after here, you will find either messages or inbox. To send a message, you will need just to go to messages or just go to inbox, which it include both messages and all your notifications from likes and tags, etc. And basically, you will need just to go to any profile that you have. Let's, for example, go to this following account, and here we click messages, and we will be able to send a DM or a direct message to this person. And for example, let's just say hi, hello, or whatever. And of course, here you will have the emoji panel where you can send other emojis. And basically, those are here just some messages settings that to just like avoid having some spam or having a stranger to contact you. So basically, this is as simple as that. You click to any profile that you want to contact and go, for example, to this one and just click on message. As simple as that. So basically, those are the steps to send messages on TikTok. And as I said previously, these steps can apply also on the mobile application. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.